Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 168. My dear sir, I hope you will think it worthwhile to consider, as far as possible, the alteration of the date of the laying of the foundation stone, and I am sure a little consideration will lead you to a decision that will materially enhance the chances of a successful gathering. Full stop. Is it worthwhile ignoring the wishes of a small but influential section of your supporters in this manner when a slight alteration would be of advantage? In other respects, I think no fault can be found with the arrangements. Full stop. Very sincerely yours. Full stop.